Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar and today we will be seeing switch statement in Go language. Okay, so in the previous video we have seen for loop in Go language and today we'll be seeing switch statement in Go language. So let's start the coding. So for that what I write here, I will write a variable. Let's say I will write where a where a int is equal to 2. Okay, and yeah, so after that I'll print some message. So I write here fmt dot print ln, and here I write some message. Let's say start switch case statement. Okay, and after that what I do, uh, I write switch keyword, and here I write the variable name. So my variable name is a here. After that what I do, I will write I will open bases. Okay, so I have opened these bases, and here I write my case statements. So let's say case 1 colon, and here I print some message. So let's say I print here 1 in words. Okay, if it is 2, if my input is 2, then it will print 2. Okay, so I print here, I write here 2, and if my case is 3, if my number is 3, then it should return 3. Okay, let's run it. So what so what is happening here, this is the common statement. Okay, common print statement. So it is printing here start switch case statement, and after that, see what we have done, we have initialized one variable a which has a value 2. So it goes here and it will check here, key it will check here the case statement. Okay, so this integer, this input value is matching with this. Okay, so that's why it is printing 2. So one thing I would like to edit here, that we don't need break statement here. Okay, so simply we can write case and then statements whatever we need to write, and then then second case and third and so on we can write this. So this is for switch statement. I hope you guys have liked the video. If you do, subscribe and share.